We've already shown you how to import with the tab separated format. That's how we got all of our data into our contact manager. So let's try the FileMaker format. What we're going to do is close our contacts. We're going to duplicate it. On the Macintosh, click on the icon and you choose duplicate. On Windows, you'd right mouse click on your icon and choose copy, and then right mouse click somewhere else and paste. We'll then open up both of these files. I'm going to go ahead and show the status toolbar on both of them. There we go. Now we have both these files open. Let's move this one up just a little bit there. Now, if you don't already have a found set inside of contacts copy, create one. It doesn't really matter what your found set is. I happen to have Richley and Swanson found. Again, it doesn't matter what your found set is, because what we're going to show you is that one of the differences between FileMaker format and, let's say, tab separated or any other format is that you can actually tell FileMaker just to import the records that are found. And that's what we're going to do here. We're going to import those two records into contacts. So notice we have 44 records here. We'll go ahead and, we don't have to do this, but I'm going to show all records. We'll go to import, choose file, make sure you have FileMaker Pro selected here, otherwise it'll be dimmed out here. Choose contacts copy, and if you don't have all your fields matched up, choose matching names and that'll match them all up for you. But then scroll down to the serial number field and click there so it's not selected anymore. We want the two dots there. We don't want to import the serial number because, remember, these are copies of the databases. If we import that serial number, we're going to get a duplicate serial number. We want to assign new ones. And then make sure you have Add New Record selected, and then simply click Import. Then also make sure you have Perform Auto Enter checked, because you wanted to add that serial number, create a new serial number for those contacts. Even though they're really duplicates, we want to have new serial numbers. So this is just something I want to make sure you understand, is that you need to make sure that your serial numbers are unique. So we'll then import it, and you'll notice that we get two records added. A total of 46 now, and the two records are Richley and Swanson. So that's great. You can import a found set. This is very powerful. With tab separated format, you'd have to import everything or modify that tab separated text file to delete some of the data in order to import just some of it. Very powerful. I use it a lot. So we're going to go in here and get rid of these records. We don't really need them. We're just trying to demonstrate this feature. Now what we're going to do is go back over to our contacts copy, and we're going to close the file. Then I'm going to open it again. And the reason I'm doing this is I want to prove to you that there are still two records found. This is the case in a single user environment. The found set stays there. Close, open, close. As long as you don't change it when it's open, it's going to stay the same. Now in a multi-user environment, found sets and sort orders and things like that are all lost. But we're trying to talk about doing a basic import in a single user environment. So I want to make sure you understand that it's still got the found set even though it's closed right now. We're going to do that exact same import now. Go to File, Contacts Copy, same exact import, Perform Auto Enter, and this time you import 44 records. FileMaker figures if the file is open, you want the found set. If the file is closed, then you want all the records. And this is good because let's say you have a solution, a commercial solution, and you want to send out an update. You want people to be able to import their data into your new version. And you don't want to have to say, oh, go to this file and show all records, go to this file. Just make sure they're closed, and then it'll import every single record that way. So that's, really a nice feature to have. And just want to remember that it's there so you don't get confused if you go, why did it import everything? I had a found set. Well, it's because it wasn't open.